Hello there. My name is Shivakumar and I am the Executive Director of Potential Max Consultants. We are an executive recruitment company based out of Dubai. So today I want to talk to you about something that's absolutely important for a job seeker, and that is how do I make sure that my CV is actually seen by the recruiter or by the hiring manager or the decision maker. Now, this is a common problem that a lot of job seekers face, and we speak to our candidates and we speak to our clients on a daily basis, and we know that this is the single biggest problem that job seekers face today. So they tell me, look, we've been applying for hundreds of jobs, okay, and these are all jobs that we have qualified for. These are all jobs that I have an excellent track record of in my previous companies, and so it's shocking to me that all my applications are just not even getting a response, or worse, they're getting rejected. So what can I do? What should I do? How do I ensure that I get my CV across to the hiring manager or the recruiter? Now, this is a very valid point, and you have to understand a little bit from the recruiter's perspective as well, which I want to share with you today. And this is that no matter what the job is, as a recruiter, you would be receiving hundreds of applications, okay? Hundreds, and I'm saying in the first 2 days of you posting a job, you could end up with 500 applications or more. And this happens to us all the time. It's impossible for any human recruiter to be able to actually look into 500 resumes, because we are also working against deadlines, right? So as recruiters, we have a limited window of opportunity within which we have to present the best candidates to our clients, because the clients are in a hurry. They want to fill this position quickly, and there's a lot of pressure on recruiters to give them the best candidates that they can. They employ what is known as an applicant tracking system. Now, this is nothing but a computer software that scans through hundreds of CVs really, really fast. And what it does is that it looks for a match between the CV and the conditions that have been specified to it by the recruiter, right? So in any job, there is always going to be 2 or 3 key parameters which are important. Client says, I don't want to look at any CV if it does not meet XYZ conditions, right? So these conditions are extremely important. And these scanning computers are designed to actually look for these specific pieces of information within the CVs it's scanning. And so what it does is it completely eliminates all the CVs which do not match at least 90% of the requirements, or 85%, depends on how it's configured. So this is the problem. This is the reason also why most of your job applications are getting rejected, because your CV is just not able to convey that strength that you have, or the past experiences, or the past track record that you have. It's not able to convey that clearly. So then what is the solution? Is there even a solution? Yes, there is. So one of the things that you need to ensure as a job seeker is that your CV gets past the scanning software and in front of the hiring manager or the recruiter. Now, that is all that you can do at this point of time. Okay, that is what is in your control as far as this particular phase of the hiring is concerned. You have to ensure that your CV that you apply for, or the job that you apply for, your CV gets past the scanning software and reaches in front of the recruiter. And believe me, 95% of the CVs or 95% of the job applicants do not even get to that stage. But then this is also a situation where the recruiter is under a lot of pressure, and they have to produce at best 3 or 4 CVs that they can present to their clients out of this entire lot of 300, 400 applications that they have. So then you can imagine how competitive it really gets and how tough it really gets to get your CV out there. How do I ensure that my CV gets past the scanning software and into the hands of the recruiter or in front of the hiring manager? Is there a way I can ensure that that happens? Because if that happens, then yes, I obviously will have a much higher chance of getting at least an interview. Remember, at this point of time, your objective is to land that interview. It is not to get that job. That's still a long way away. Just, obviously 2 or 3 steps that you need to do before you get to that stage. But at this point of time, your objective, your end goal is to land an interview. So how do you ensure that you land an interview on the basis of your application. Based off a lot of requests that we have received from job seekers like you, we have come out now with what we call the Bulletproof Resume Writing Service. So what then is the Bulletproof Resume? The Bulletproof Resume is simply a CV that is written with one end goal in mind, okay? And that end goal is to get your CV past the scanning software and in front of the hiring manager. Now, the hiring manager is the most important person that you need to project your image to. And this Bulletproof Resume does exactly that. Now, how do we do that? We do that because we understand how these applicant tracking systems work, because we use one ourselves. When you apply for a job that we have posted, my applicant tracking system goes through your resume and then picks out those CVs which are matching with the requirement that we have. So we know exactly how these things are configured, and we also know what the scanning software is looking for. But more important than that is the fact that we know what clients are looking for. Because finally, it's the client. You are going to solve a problem for the client. And so the client has to be convinced that you are the person that is going to solve the problem. So how can you do this? Well, you can do this by a combination of projecting yourself as the person with the skills, with the experience, and with the knowledge to solve the problem for the client. So the Bulletproof Resume service is where you can get your CV written by our expert recruiters and career strategists and career consultants. And this Bulletproof Resume will be written in such a way that it projects you as the solution to the problem that the client is facing. Now, how do we do that? We do that by understanding what are your key personality traits, what is the combination of those with the areas of natural strength that you possess and backed by your qualifications and past work experience. How do we package all of that into a compelling argument in your favor as far as the client is concerned? So what are the steps involved in getting your bulletproof CV? Well, the first step obviously is that you need to sign up for this program, and once you do that, then you would be taken across to an online form where you would be asked about a lot of questions related to your personality, and to discover your hidden strengths, as well as about your past working experience and qualifications. And then once we have this information, then we would be putting all this together, and of course in consultation with you, we would be finalizing your bulletproof resume. In short, the bulletproof resume is the most powerful tool that you have with you, which is guaranteed to push you past the scanning gates, the entry gates, and in front of the hiring manager. So go ahead and commit to the Bulletproof Resume Writing Service, and we will work with you, and we will make sure that you get the most professional and the most effective bulletproof resume that can help you reach your goals.